NCTV45, The Train, anytime on your time. Bill's Bake Shop will make you happy. Owner Bill Cast and his staff keep the tradition going with all those bakery items you remember as a kid. Just to name a few, Bill makes cream sticks, cinnamon rolls, bear claws, cream horns, cannoli, cakes, pies, cookies, bread, pizza, and more. You can also buy homemade Cavatelli ravioli. Bill's Bake Shop, located 228 North Liberty Street in the Mahoningtown section of Newcastle, is open Tuesday through Saturday, 7 to 5, and Sunday, 7 to 2, closed Monday. Bill's, where smiles are everywhere. Call 724-654-4223.
Town and country where there's always a party. Yes, every weekend there's something to do, and there's always great food for you too. Lamb, finger food, steak sandwiches, roasted wings, and much, much more. It's a party and you're invited. Come to Town and Country. What's inside? Come on in and take a look at the menu. There's many barbecue delights. Ribs, chicken, and much more. Salads of every kind. Sides that'll tempt your appetite. And we have eat in or take out at Big J's Hurricane Grill. Maureen and Big J say everybody is welcome. Welcome to NewsWatch, and Saturday, June 9th from 10 to 5, it's Down on the Farm. It's the second Saturday at Voland Mills. This is National Farm Day, so it features a lot of great things. Mouth-watering Amish donuts, breads, cookies, pies, jams, jellies, fresh produce, local honey, maple syrup, Amish treats, and new for 2018 are many varieties of cheeses made with real milk, grass-fed cows on local farms. So, Voland Village shops. If you have any questions, call them at 724-533-5611 and celebrate National Farm Day. We'll be right back after these messages.